All right, I just wanted to record a real quick video on how I made a super simple ski rack. We just wanted something for the garage, and I looked online and saw the button racks and saw a few different options and thought, you know what, for 50 bucks or 80 bucks for some of those other more fancy racks, I just thought I'd make something super quick and super easy. So this is what I did. Basically, I took some wood. So actually what I did here is I have some 2x4s and a little bit of, I don't even know what exactly this is. I guess like a 1x4, 1x3. Just some spare wood that I had around here because it didn't need to be two full 2x4s wide. That seemed a little bit overkill. But I basically just took the 2x4 and put it on in our garage wall here, screwed it onto the 1x3 to give me a little bit of extra distance from the walls. And then to show you here what we did, I've got 5 skis here, so my wife and I and our children, and I just put a little hanger up there on the wall for our poles. And I went up to Home Depot and I grabbed this guy, which is just a little piece of L trim, and I made sure I got one that was pretty strong. I didn't want to get one of the real cheap ones or whatever, but this thing I got 36 inches for $2.50 a foot, so $7.50. And then I just used some scrap wood, and again, I guess I actually used something a little bit bigger here, 1x4 than the 1x3, but I just put that 1x4 and mounted this to the wall first. So I had my base, this was leveled, and then I just took my 2x4 and mounted this. So I mean, I surely could have cleaned this up and made it look a little bit nicer on the edges, but for what I'm trying to accomplish here, it doesn't need to look anything special. I may go ahead and paint it and clean it all up here next week. But yeah, I mean, for $7.50, this is a great little solution. I really liked the way that the button ski rack held them on the wall this way, because I have kind of a bit of a limited space here, and I didn't want them width-wise to be in front of my electric box, or I don't know, just getting in the way, and it seemed like it was a little bit more complicated, and why not just use the bindings. So I really like the functionality of the button ski rack, but for 50 bucks for 5 little pieces of plastic, and essentially doing the same thing here as I did for $7.50. The benefit to doing it this route is that those button racks are, you know, they're like knobs that the back of your bindings hang on, and I felt like that would even more easily get bumped off of the ski rack. So because those knobs don't have, you know, like these can at least kind of, they could slide, or you can move them, or you can put them wherever you want on these, where those button racks, you know, like if they get bumped, they're probably gonna fall off of that thing. So anyway, here's my solution for pretty much less than 10 bucks with some scrap 2x4s and a little bit of trim. So anyway, hope you guys like it. Good luck.